Hey, what's up, Cardano holder? This is live price prediction. You watch ABS Tech channel. Please click the subscribe button for latest update. I updating you every single day and every last hour. So this is the live price prediction of last 1 hour. Let's get start the video. Before I get start the video, please also click the like button. Complete 100 likes, just 100 likes. Okay, so thank you so much. Let's get started the video. Okay guys, so here if you can see here, this is the last 1 hour price prediction, and here you watch the chant. It's absolutely gone good. Cardano holder, this is not a small change. I hope the small change is not. You can see here plus 0.17%. Absolutely, this is a good change. But if you can see here, the highest change in the price. The price is 1.19 US dollar. Absolutely, this is good. Before 2 days, I see the result as 1.17 US dollar, but they can change it and 1.19. But if we can see here the last 1 day result, let's check it out. The last 1 day result as 1.2 US dollar. Absolutely, this is very bad. But if you can check out this time, the last hour, absolutely the price is going up. So this is good news for Cardano holder, because the price is going up, because the price is gone like a rocket. So this is absolutely good news for Cardano holder. So don't forget to like this video and don't forget to hold more Cardano coin. But if you want to more profit, then hold it. Okay, I remember, always remember the Cardano is going up day by day. So thanks for watching. For latest update, just subscribe ABS Tech channel and also like video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care.